$200 a day on your phone? You bet. What's up, everybody? We're talking about making bank straight from your smartphone. Yeah, you heard me right. $200 a day using the tech you already have. Is it a grind? Sometimes. Is it possible? Absolutely. Look, gone are the days of needing a fancy office to make money. Your phone is now a powerful tool. Think of it like a Swiss Army knife for your finances. We'll break down the how-to step by step so you can start cashing in. Whether you're a college student needing extra cash or just looking for a side hustle, this is for you. No more excuses. Let's dive in.
First up, the gig economy. This is where you're your own boss. Deliver food with Uber Eats or DoorDash. Easy money, flexible hours. Sign up, get approved, and boom, you're on the road making deliveries. Love to drive? Try ride-sharing with Lyft or Uber. Pick your hours, pick up passengers, and get paid. Simple as that. Feeling creative? Offer freelance services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Writing, graphic design, social media management? The options are endless. Build your profile, showcase your skills, and watch the gigs roll in. Remember, consistency is key. The more you hustle, the more you earn. Set goals, stay motivated, and watch your bank account grow.
Don't underestimate the power of small tasks. There are tons of apps out there that pay you for completing surveys, watching videos, or even just scanning your receipts. Check out Swagbucks, InboxDollars, or Rakuten. They offer points for completing simple tasks, which you can then redeem for cash or gift cards. Another option is to become a user tester for websites and apps. Platforms like UserTesting pay you to provide feedback on your user experience. It's an easy way to make some extra cash while sharing your opinions. Remember, these apps won't make you rich overnight, but they can help you earn some extra spending money or cover your coffee fix. Every little bit counts.
Challenges and solutions. It's important to acknowledge that while the potential for earning through your smartphone is vast, there are challenges. But hey, every challenge has a solution, right? Your phone, your potential. Remember, your smartphone is a powerful tool. With the right strategies and a bit of creativity, you can unlock its full potential.
Your phone, your potential. The opportunities are endless when you explore the capabilities of your smartphone. Whether it's for business, learning, or creativity, it's all in your hands.
Now go out and get your piece of the infinite pie.